Theofelus indicated that Telecom Namibia has begun with a mobile core upgrade by swapping the firewall at the heart of the mobile network for a high-capacity model, as well as the installation of modern routers.
We also introduced a more international capacity where we actually had the Equiano cable. So first we had only one cable, which is the Western African cable system, the WEX undersea cable, which gives us traffic, but also gives traffic to our neighboring countries, Botswana, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, that are landlocked. So in July 2022, Telecom together with Paratus worked together to then land the second cable, which is sort of the Google cable, the Equiano cable, which has a building of 100 gigabytes per second links onshore, so that there's actually breathing room from the current WEX cable to the Equiano cable so they can share capacity.
The minister says they have random inspections at various centers to ensure that the download speeds and upload speeds are equal to what the license indicates to Telecom. She added that when there are major fault hits, the Communications Regulatory Authority of Namibia is informed to take the necessary actions to compel the operator to fix the faults.
We have quarterly engagements with every entity. Like I said, Telecom, it's almost on a weekly basis. But with every entity that falls under the Ministry of ICT, they meet every 2 months with the ED and every 3 months with the minister. So that way we try to sort out problems before they even arise.